Hello mga tetus and tetas, mga momshies and daddies, and everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So we are here at Park Inn by Radisson, Davao for a weekend staycation with my family. Hashtag not sponsored. So for today, I'm going to give you a quick room tour of the one that we availed for this weekend. So I hope you enjoy. They have complimentary drinks, so meaning hindi mo na kailangang bayaran yung mga kape at asukal at yung tubig na nasa hotel room mo. They have free toiletries for their guests. They also have a free hygiene kit. As you can see, nag-enjoy ang mag-ama ko. And here we have their cabinet. So may bathrobe, may mga hangers, may iron board, and may iron. Actually, may vault din dito and laundry bag. Plan that perfect weekend staycation with your family. Check-in is at 3 p.m. and their checkout is at 12 noon. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Till the next one, ciao!